Dhiren is saying, why market profile is not so popular, which gives traders behavior. Is it because of less publicity or something else? It is because it is complex. It is because it is difficult to sell. The other day I made a video on why open drive is the stupidest concept. Why value area, high and low is stupid to use as reference. The 80% rule. And some such day types and all those kinds of things. Why do I criticize all these things? Because it's easy to sell you day types, right? If I tell you that if it is this type of a day type, it means this, and this is likely to happen. Immediately your mind is in the familiar territory and you will try to spot that day type. Once it happens, you will try to take a position and it does not work out. When I say you have to trade in the now, forget about what happened in the past, now has the answer for tomorrow, all these things, look at trade facilitation, wait for confirmation, all difficult things to do, not easy. That is the correct way to use market profile. Otherwise, there are so many traders who are using basically price action and just using market profile as a banner to promote their services. So many have started, so many have stopped, so many have faded away. There is just no count. Still some people are doing it. They will do it for a while. They'll realize it does not work. Their followers will realize it does not work. They'll move away. Those guys will move on to something else. And it's good that market profile is not popular, because then we can be profitable, right? So then we'll have that edge. It's a matter of time someone shares how to use market profile. We are not popular, but there are other traders who might be popular. And if they share the correct thing, I don't know, we might lose the edge. But since it's not a pattern recognition system, it's a trader behavior observation system. If the trader behavior changes, this thing will tell us that it's changing. And then we can adjust accordingly. If you're trying to understand trader behavior, right? If you're just trying to find patterns and you're just worried about what target should I keep when a failed auction happens on the chart, no, it's not going to help. But what you're trying to say here is absolutely correct. I personally believe it should not be popular.